natural world has a way of defying expectations. And nowhere is this more evident than in the weirdest species scientists continue to discover. In an age where humans have mapped every corner of the globe, the strangest animals ever discovered prove that Earth still harbours extraordinary secrets. Kicking off our video with the orange nimba bat. In the mysterious Nimba Mountains of Guinea, scientists discovered one of the weirdest animal species ever documented. This mammal shocked researchers with its vibrant Halloween orange fur, a colour never before seen in bats. This striking creature, discovered through collaborative efforts between Bat Conservation International, Cameroon's University of Marua, and the American Museum of Natural History, stands out dramatically against its cave-dwelling relatives. The discovery of such a boldly coloured bat in an area known for its biodiversity proves that even well-studied animal groups can still surprise us with extraordinary new species. But next on the list is the joker spider. Discovered in 2020, this Iranian velvet spider insect stands out for its bizarrely familiar appearance. It sports markings that bear an uncanny resemblance to the Joker from Batman, leading scientists to name it after the character. But its appearance isn't the only strange thing about this arachnid. Female joker spiders take maternal sacrifice to extreme levels. They literally liquefy their internal organs to feed their young before being consumed entirely by their brood. The combination of pop culture appearance and horror movie behaviour makes it one of the most fascinating species discoveries in recent years. And up next, we have the Fayrouz wood lizard, discovered in 2021 in the Huallaga Valley in Peru. This living rainbow is one of the weirdest animal species to emerge in recent years, sporting an almost impossible array of colours that vary between males and females. What makes this discovery even more remarkable is that it was found in an area previously inaccessible to scientists, suggesting that some zones might be inadvertently preserving unknown species. But moving on next, we have one of the weirdest animal species discovered in recent years. Discovered in 2021, it's called Sugen's crate, after a Chinese legend. This species of crate is famous in the scientific community, not just for its deadly nature, but for its mythological connection. Found in China's monsoon forests, this highly venomous snake was named after the Chinese snake goddess Bai Su-jin from the legend of the white snake. The species proved so dangerous that studying it became a life-threatening challenge for researchers, adding a layer of real-world danger to its mythological namesake. What's special about this snake species is that it preys on eels like the Asian swamp eel and small snakes such as the yellow-spotted keelback water snake, but refuses mice and frogs. Moving on, we have a new spider species called Venomius Tom Hardy, named after the Marvel character Venom and the actor Tom Hardy. Now that's something cool. This new spider species was found in Australia's Tasmania. It gained its name thanks to the distinctive black spots on the spider's abdomen resembling Venom's head. The orb-weaving spider belongs to the Aranidae family and builds circular webs to catch prey. But unlike related spiders, it doesn't have tubercles on its abdomen and creates silk shelters inside tree branches. Researchers found the spider on an expedition across multiple Australian states by researchers who aim to fully document the continent's spider diversity to aid conservation efforts. But moving on, next we found not one, not two, but their new species of nautilus. These were found in the Coral Sea and the South Pacific. The three species differ in genetic structure, shell size and coloration, and geographic location. Scientists generally know little about nautiluses but are working to fill in the data gaps to understand how to protect them. Nautiluses are highly threatened by the shell trade, as well as pollution and the impacts of climate change. The discovery of these three new species will help scientists in their conservation efforts and better understand nautili as a species. But moving on next, we also discovered a deep-sea beauty that has fascinated scientists. It's called the Aphrodite anthias. Discovered in 2018 near Brazil's St. Paul's Rocks, it proves that even barren ocean islets can harbour some of the weirdest animal species. This small but stunning fish captivated researchers with its striking purple, yellow and red coloration. So much so that they failed to notice a large shark swimming nearby during its documentation. At just 84 millimeters long, this living jewel of the ocean demonstrates that beautiful things come in small packages and that even well-explored areas can hide spectacular secrets. And up next we have the Naluga. Typically, strange things are found in the deep sea, but this discovery happened on the surface, in front of scientists' eyes. The Naluga represents one of nature's most improbable experiments. Confirmed through DNA analysis in 2019, this hybrid species merges the distinctive features of narwhals and beluga whales in ways scientists once thought impossible. Sporting the beluga's flippers and the narwhal's tail, wrapped in a unique grey coloration, these creatures remained hidden in plain sight until advanced genetic testing finally proved their existence. The discovery of this weird animal species challenged everything researchers thought they knew about whale hybridization and species boundaries. This is one of the biggest discoveries as it helps us to better understand natural hybridization. And finally on the list is the discovery of a new leaf-tailed gecko species in the jungles of Madagascar. This new species of leaf-tailed gecko, also called Uroplatus garamasso, has been discovered in northern Madagascar. Like other geckos in its genus, garamasso is a master of camouflage due to skin flaps that allow it to resemble tree bark during the daytime when it presses against branches. At 5.5 inches long, it's a relatively large gecko for Madagascar. The forest where the gecko lives faces threats from logging and fires, endangering garamasso, which, like many endemic Madagascar species, has a restricted range that makes it vulnerable to habitat loss. More geckos are still being uncovered in Madagascar's exceptionally biodiverse ecosystems. And that's all for this video. Which of these animal species has fascinated you the most? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.